Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your ROG Phone 6D. So to do this, you have to open the contacts and the first. Next, pick one of it, for example this one, and click on the three dots in the right up corner, and then tap to set the ringtone. And as you can see right here, we can find all default ringtones on the phone. So we can pick, for example, this one. When you click on it, you will also hear the sound. And when you tap on the plus on the right upper corner, you are able to set your custom ringtone. You can pick it from the Google Drive or the file manager that you have on your phone. And basically you can go for the downloads and then just pick the sound or whatever you put it, like on the music. So you know what I mean. And after that you can just simply go back. So that's all for this video, hope you like it.